Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip south on I-89 through Vermont and New Hampshire. We begin today at Vermont Mile 39, counting down. We're in Orange County in the town of Brookfield. We're still winding our way through the Green Mountains, which provides for some fantastic mountain views as we drive along. Here we enter the town of Randolph with a population of 4,774 as of the 2020 census. Randolph is the most populous town in Orange County and serves as a commercial hub for the nearby rural farming communities. Originally, the area was made up of 3 villages: Randolph Center, East Randolph, and West Randolph, now the sites of the town's fire departments. What is now known as the village of Randolph was formerly West Randolph. The town was first settled around 1778 when Vermont, an unrecognized state, was in conflict with New York, which claimed the land. To gain recognition, the town was renamed in honor of Edmund Randolph. Farming became a major industry, with sheep farming dominating by 1830. Randolph was known for producing high-quality butter, cheese, and mutton. Powered by the White River, the town had several mills by the mid-1800s. The arrival of the Vermont Central Railroad in 1848 spurred further growth, leaving behind architectural landmarks like the Randolph Railroad Depot and the Kimball Public Library. Today, Randolph remains a vibrant center with attractions like the Porter Music Box Museum and Chandler Music Hall. The town also hosts Gifford Medical Center, civil engineering firm Dubois & King, and Randolph Union High School, which serves nearby towns. The downtown area features an Amtrak station, shops, restaurants, and a movie theater. Amtrak's Vermonter provides daily service, and Tri-Valley Transit offers local bus routes across the region and into New Hampshire. Randolph is served by Exit 4 off of I-89, which falls at mile 31, even though the mile point exit is not noted on the green sign. we enter the town of Bethel, as well as Windsor County. Bethel includes several areas such as Bethel Village, Bethel Gilead, East Bethel, Liliesville, Olympus, which was formerly called Olympus, and West Bethel. The town is most famous for Bethel white granite, used in constructing Washington Union Station and the National Museum of Natural History. Founded in 1779, Bethel was the first town established by the Independent Republic of Vermont and is named after the biblical village of Bethel. Windsor County had a population of 57,743 as of the 2020 census. The county is notable for being the birthplace and burial site of Calvin Coolidge, the 30th U.S. President. We enter the town of Royalton, with a population of 2,750 as of the 2020 census. Royalton consists of the villages of Royalton, South Royalton, and North Royalton. South Royalton is home to Vermont Law School, the state's only accredited law school. While Joseph Smith, founder of Mormonism, was born in nearby Sharon, close to the Royalton border, the Joseph Smith Birthplace Memorial is located within Royalton. A landscape photo of Royalton is featured as the fictional town of Stars Hollow in the opening credits of popular TV show Gilmore Girls. In the mid-20th century, the town's economy was driven by lumbering, dairy farming, poultry raising, vegetable production, and maple sugar making. These industries shaped Royalton's rural character and economic development. Today it remains a community with deep ties to agriculture and history. Exit 3, located at mile 22, is the only exit that serves Royalton and the previous town of Bethel. We enter the town of Sharon with a population of 1,560 as of the 2020 census. Sharon is the birthplace of Joseph Smith, founder of the Latter-day Saints movement, making it a significant historical site for its followers. It is also home to the Sharon Academy, an independent middle and high school. We conclude today's video at mile 14. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.